In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your credit card might be declined and, more importantly, how you can resolve this issue effectively. It's an all too common experience. You're trying to make a purchase or pay a bill, and suddenly your card gets declined. But fear not, as we're going to unravel the possible reasons behind this and ensure you're all set to fix it. Firstly, one of the most straightforward reasons is having insufficient funds in your account. It might seem obvious, but it's always a good starting point. Ensuring your account has enough money to cover the transaction is essential. Next, consider the possibility that your card might be expired or invalid. Cards need to be up to date to function, so take a moment to check the expiration date on your card. Now, another frequent culprit behind a declined card is the bank or card issuer blocking the transaction. This could happen for a variety of reasons, such as suspicious activity or exceeding daily limits. It's particularly relevant if you're traveling internationally or making an online purchase, as some banks apply automatic restrictions on these types of transactions. An important point to mention is that there could also be a temporary issue with OpenAI's payment processor, which is worth considering if your card seems fine otherwise. Moving on to how you can address these issues, the first step is to check your card details. Log into your OpenAI account and review your card information meticulously. Make sure your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address are all correctly entered. It's crucial to confirm that your card is active and authorized for online transactions, as some might not be by default. Secondly, it's time to touch base with your bank. Give them a quick call and inquire about any declined transactions. Ask if there are any blocks on international or subscription payments that might explain the issue you're experiencing. Banks often have safeguards in place that can limit certain types of transactions, and they'll be able to clarify or resolve any such barriers. If you find these steps aren't getting you back on track, the next recommendation is to try a different payment method. OpenAI supports a range of payment methods including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, as well as some prepaid cards. If a transaction fails with one card, don't hesitate to try another. Lastly, updating your payment information through OpenAI can be a game changer. Simply go to your OpenAI account and head over to the billing section. Click on Manage Payment Methods and add a new card. Be sure to set it as your default method and retry the subscription payment. Following these steps should guide you towards resolving your credit card issue effectively. Remember, understanding and addressing each possible cause systematically will not only save you time but also ensure